In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in Google Sheets. We'll be doing this directly inside a Google Sheet, and the process is very simple once you know where to look. A text box can be useful when you want to add a note, label, title, or any extra text that stands out separately from the cells in your spreadsheet. To begin, open your Google Sheets and make sure you're on the sheet where you want the text box to appear. Once you're there, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. This menu contains different elements you can add to your sheet, and the text box option is accessed through the Drawing tool. After clicking Insert, choose Drawing. This will open a separate drawing window on top of your spreadsheet. If you've never used it before, don't worry. This is the built-in tool Google Sheets uses when you want to place objects like shapes, images, or text boxes into your sheet. Inside the drawing window, find the text icon. This is the text box tool. Click on that icon to start creating your text box. Once it's selected, move into the blank drawing area, click and drag to create a text box in the size you want. You can make it wide, narrow, tall, or compact, depending on how much text you plan to include. When you release your mouse, the text box will appear and you can start typing directly into it. Enter the text you want to display. If needed, take a moment to adjust the size so your text fits comfortably and looks clean. This is especially helpful if you're using the text box as a heading or as a call-out note in your spreadsheet. Once you're happy with the text and the size of the box, click Save and Close. Google Sheets will insert the text box into your spreadsheet as a drawing object. From there, you can reposition it by clicking and dragging it to the area where you want it to sit. If the placement isn't perfect right away, that's completely normal. You can move it around after it has been inserted until it fits neatly into your layout. This makes it easy to organize your sheet and keep important information visible. And that's all it takes to insert a text box in Google Sheets. Open your sheet, go to Insert, select Drawing, use the text box tool, type your text, and then save and close. Once you try it once, the process becomes quick and easy every time.